good girl. Yeah, that's a book. That's a good one. You want that one?
What's that? Is that airplane? What's that? Is that an airplane?
Put it in the box. Uh-oh. What happened?
Where's your airplane? Airplane?
Do you want to look to see what's in there? You got a book. You got to look in it. Let's see. Christmas airplane. Look, airplane at the airport. It's just before Christmas. Look, it was Christmas. All the airplanes were sitting around. What are we going to do for Christmas? What are we going to do for Christmas? Yeah, the airplane.
Where you
helicopter.
going?
Yeah, helicopter. The keys? You want the keys? You want those keys? Yeah?
It's stuck.
He was actually right at that point.
Keep pulling. Pull up. Pull up. Well, pull up. You gotta pull up. Hey. You pull up. Keys. Keys. That's right.
You got keys?
Keys. On a chain.